Today I will mostly be eating strawberry flavour jammy Dodgers. What do you reckon to them? Well, that's what they look like. That amazed me. I didn't think they're really going to be strawberry coloured. What they're like. They're beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a look what's in there, shall we? A lot of ingredients for a biscuit. What's it say here? Artificial colours none, flavours none, sweeteners nah, GM ingredients never, hydrogenated fats nada, vegan friendly. Yeah, but still a heck of a lot of ingredients. Strawberry jammy Dodgers, every day's a bonus.